You look beautiful. So here's what's gonna happen. And so am I. Okay. That $10 you paid to get in the door was not an audition fee, okay? You don't gotta try that hard, Harrison. What are you celebrating? I'm celebrating my birthday. And how old are you? I'm also turning 24. 24! You look 37. Look at the skincare. I'm kidding. I'm just picking on you, Harrison. You look beautiful. So here's what's gonna happen, okay? Araceli has some music lined up, okay? So here's the number one rule. We do not have Blue Cross Blue Shield. There's no insurance. So don't fall off the stage, okay? But you have about 30 seconds to impress all of these people here, and they're gonna choose a winner. Okay, so you have about 30 seconds. I can't tell you what to do, but cartwheels, splits, flips, death drops, that's probably gonna win them over. I'm just saying, okay? So let me take my spot right over here. Araceli, you're watching. All right? You ready? Okay, hit it! So let's move it down here to the dance floor. Yes. All right. Okay. So now you don't have to worry about falling anywhere. So you have the entire dance floor. You got 10 more seconds to impress all of these. Araceli, hit it! There's a dollar, there's a cell phone, my God. Shit. All right, what's happening? Oh, turning the AC down, thank you so much. Give it up for our bar manager, Mallory. Look at Mallory's.
Fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win your life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, let the grind, make a change, in my mind, pick the lane, commit and climb, the only way to win in life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, jam to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took a red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but chasing, I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll